Hello and welcome to Kisa Design. Over the last months we've been working tirelessly on our newest watch. Today the day has come where we let the cat out of the bag. Of course, you will be able to see the whole watch at the end of this video, but let's take a step back first and recap what we did so far. In the first video, we talked about the overall idea about the project and gave you some insights into the design decisions we made. We revealed to you that the new version is going to be the signature edition of our Tragwerk T, and you already got a glimpse of the dial of those 25 watches. Yes, the dial will be anodized in the color most people asked for, purple. If you're interested in more details of that part of the project, you should definitely check out the first video. The second video was all about the production process of the Signature Edition. As you know, we develop and actually make a huge amount of the parts in-house in our own workshop. You could follow us along when we milled and finished the new cases, when we prepared the dial blanks, finished, anodized and printed them. And you got an idea of how strenuous hand finishing 300 tiny indexes is. Now we have almost reached the finish line. The grand finale is taking place at the watchmaker's bench. What you can see laid out in front of me aren't only the parts needed to complete our new version of the Tragwerk T, but also the result of many months of hard work. Look at this gorgeous dial. It features all the key elements of a classic Tragwerk T. The hex-shaped indexes, the anodized titanium and the printed dial ring. Yet there are some particularities. All in all, the design of the dial has a modern, sleek and balanced appeal, which stems from the circular brushed surface of the titanium and the pronounced symmetry of the layout. This particular finish gives the watch a soft luster and a very classic look. It shimmers so beautifully, especially in the sunlight. In stark contrast to the vivid dial stands the bead-blasted anthracite case and exoskeleton. It frames the anodized parts and gives it optimal protection. I'm particularly proud of the case back, where the dragonfly, our mascot, is prominently engraved. The insect that gave the inspiration for our patented exoskeleton. Nothing other than a high-end Swiss movement was an option for our watch. We decided on a Sellita SW200 automatic caliber for the Signature Edition. This long-lived movement is super robust and it is an absolute workhorse. The ideal engine for a watch you can wear every day in every situation, which can take some beating. Additionally, it is beautifully decorated and fitted with a custom engraved rotor. As the individual parts only develop their full effect when they are put together, let's stop talking and proceed with final assembly now. And there it is, the Tragwerk T Signature Edition. The result of months of tedious work and dedication. I am super happy with the result. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you don't want to miss the release date, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll keep you updated here and on our Instagram page. I don't want to waste any more words and let the watch speak for itself. Wow, isn't that a stunner? I'm super proud of the result. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.